Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fill a shape with color here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Filling a shape with color in Canva is a simple process. Once you are logged into your account, you can either select an existing template or start a new design by clicking the Create a Design option on the upper left corner. Now, in my case, I'm going to be clicking the Create a Blank YouTube thumbnail because apart from recording this video, I'm going to upload alongside with it the thumbnail in our G-Plafs YouTube channel. Now, I'm working with this specific design, and for us to be able to fill a shape with color, all we have to do is click on the left side panel of your dashboard, click on Elements, and go to the Shapes. All right, click on Shapes. Now, I'm going to randomly create different shapes here. A square, a circle, triangle, a diamond, of course, like a star, and of course we can use the maybe arrow if you wanted, so you can be creative. You're not limited. All right, balloons or speech bubble. So there's a lot. Now all you have to do, click this icon right here, and there's going to be a color. With that, you can choose any color here. You can use this, and this one's going to be like maybe like an orange. The triangle is going to be like what color is it? It's like a green. Circle is going to be like a purple. Diamond is going to be something like, I don't know, like maybe this. Star is some kind of like, maybe have like a gradient. And this one is going to be like maybe an orange or yellowish. So basically, this is how you fill a shape with color. All right. After that, you might want to make it a little bit creative by putting a specific background. And once you're happy with it, all you're going to do is try to view it in full view to make sure that the sign works well with your brand and identity. All right. After doing so, once you're happy with that, all you're going to do now is go to the upper right corner, click on download. You can download as PNG, JPEG, PDF standard, or you can also share it to your team members, collaborators, freelancers, and your client. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.